Good morning guys, this is Defender tdci 2.4 2011. Right, what's happened is I had a rattle on the engine. In the end we changed the engine, put a new engine in it. I'll show you the original video of the old engine rattling. Took the head off, changed this, changed that, new injectors, everything. So now this is the new engine replaced, and I'll just start it up so you can listen to it. I've also bought one of these diagnostic systems. I hope you can hear the rattling of it. Now that is exactly the same as the old engine that came out. As you can hear, that's the same. It's the same noise as what came as the rattle that came out of the engine that came out. Right, well, the only things that haven't been changed are the pump. It's got the original pump, it's got replacement injectors, so the only things left to change would be the pump and the ECU. Well, I was speaking to a few people having the same problem. They've been having new engines, then they've been having the ECU replaced afterwards. The pump is pumping out the strong pressure in the rail. I am going to change this little, if you can see it just down here, that regulator valve on the pump. I've got one of those coming today, so change that. The only well, that's it guys, really. At the moment I'll show you a video of the original engine before we took it out, and hopefully I'll be showing you a video when I fix this one.